Good.
Hi, my name is Eric. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a computer and verify it's working and ready to go. Okay. First we're going to start with the motherboard. You need a motherboard. This is a ECS motherboard picked up from Fry's. It's a LGA 775 DDR 4300 memory. Here's your motherboard and heatsink. And what we're going to do today is we're going to put this motherboard into the case. Okay, before we're going to put in the motherboard, we need to put the brace, what are they called? They're called brass stands, so the motherboards can stand up correctly. So what I have here is a little 5mm socket. It's like a little attachment. You can actually use it for a screwdriver too, but I use it for this purpose because I want to make sure all the little brass stands sit correctly. So we're gonna look at the little dots right here and make sure everything lines up correctly.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Put this like this.
You know, when I do that, I don't usually screw it. I just screw it on with my hand. I think that's good enough, but whatever. What?
No, nothing. Professionalism is always good for this kind of stuff.
Okay, I see. That's good. Okay, let me see the professionalism.
Okay. So that's another one. And 4. Okay, now we're going to put the board in. But before we put the board in, we need to put in the ISO shield. Because if you don't have the ISO shield, it's going to be blank in the back. So we're going to go ahead and put in the shield in the back. Okay, now it's in. Now we go about putting the board in. Okay, make sure the screws line up. Or actually what we're gonna do, let's put the CPU in first, because these ones are a little bit hard to get on. It's the LGA 775, so you lift it up, press this back, and we'll get out our CPU.
Faster, faster, faster.
Okay, LGA 775. And it has a little cut right here. You can see there's a little triangle.
Okay. Oh, you matched the triangle to
You
the
match the triangle,
there,
they're right there.
right? Okay, yeah.
Okay, close this. And then this goes down
Okay.
and over.
That's it?
Now we're going to put on the heatsink.
Okay.
So the arrows go back. Turn the arrows all back. Line them up and push down on the tabs till you hear the clicking noise. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Voila.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget to plug in your power.
Okay.
And we're going to insert the memory. DDR 4300.
Yes. Yes. Don't break the memory.
There's your memory.
Okay, snapped in.
And now we're going to put in the screws for the motherboard.
Oh, okay. But,
The reason why did I like to use the tool to tighten it down, because if you don't use the tool, when you put a different kind of screw in there sometimes, the screw will lock into the brass fitting and then you have to start all over again, which is a real pain. So that's why you use
oh
this
yeah,
tool.
that's true.
That's why.
Yeah, you want it tight.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see all the little holes on the motherboard are lined up. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
I kind of see it, yeah.
Okay, now we're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah, that's true.
put the screws in.
And I wish there's like 5 screws or 3 screws, not
Yeah.
4. 4 is a bad number in Chinese or Korean. Know that? But there's 4 doors in the car, you know. So oh well, just can't help it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, missed a screw. Pause. Okay. So we're gonna put in the last screw. Okay. It's in.
Okay.
Now we just need to hook up the power.
Okay, let me zoom in here.
So there's a reset
Okay.
and there's power.
Okay, I see it. Let's go.
So we're gonna hook it up to the motherboard.
Okay.
So this one, the power goes right here.
Okay. Most motherboards come with the diagram, right?
Yeah, most of them come with a
Okay.
diagram.
So you just follow the directions.
Yeah, just follow the directions. We have a little diagram right here.
Okay, I see.
That's what we're gonna be using.
Yes.
So you plug this in here.
Yes.
We're gonna plug that in right there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And we got our 4-pin
Okay. 4 pin.
for
Okay.
the CPU,
CPU. Okay.
and this is the motherboard.
Okay.
We're going ahead.
to the motherboard.
We're gonna go ahead and fire it up.
Okay.
Just to verify.
test, okay.
Yeah, just show everything's working.
So that's the power.
That's
You
the
need
power.
do you need the monitor?
Yes, I need a monitor. So
You don't need a keyboard. Okay. Let's
Okay.
just see if it's powering up.
just show you. We'll plug in the keyboard. We don't need a mouse. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm gonna fire it up. Here's your power.
Okay. All right. I see it. Oh, it's the fan's running.
Fan's running.
Let's see. Let's see if anything's coming up here. Oh, cool.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go. And then let's verify. We'll go into the BIOS. Okay,
There you
there's
go.
your BIOS.
All right,
and then
there's
we
your
hooked up
BIOS.
also the reset button, so I'll show you
Okay.
the reset button works.
Okay.
So,
Oh, cool. It just reset now.
Okay.
So it should power up again. So. And powering up.
There you go.
Cool.
how to build a
Cool.
computer.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you.